correct answer. So when you have a function to Celsius Fahrenheit, you want to return 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32, and the value you have is to Celsius without any argument. Because there is no argument, let us see what it is going to return. So it is going to return not available number, not any number or not available number, which means there is an error with the calculation because there was no argument that was given. All right. They said accessing a function without its parentheses returns the function and not the function result. So when we want to call to Celsius, look at to Celsius. When we want to call to Celsius without using the parentheses, it is not going to evaluate. It will just give us the function, how the function looks like. Can you see it is giving us the exact function we are running. All right. Note, as you see from the examples above, to Celsius refers to the function object, and to Celsius with the parentheses refers to the function result. To Celsius without the parentheses refers to the function object, while to Celsius with the parentheses refers to the function result. Functions used as variable values. Functions can be used the same way as you use variables in all types of formulas, assignments, and calculations. Instead of using a variable to store the return value of a function, let x be to Celsius 77, let text be what the temperature is, x plus Celsius, which means the variable x is now whatever to Celsius results to, okay, or evaluates to. If to Celsius evaluates to 100 or maybe 200 or maybe 50, it means that x is now 50. If this guy evaluates to 50, remember this is a function, so when it executes it evaluates to 50, which means x is now 50, which means it's now be the temperature is 50 Celsius. But also you can use directly, they said you can use the function directly as a variable value. So I can come here and instead of saying x, I'll use this same to Celsius. Instead of using x, I'll just come here and use to Celsius 77 to still evaluate and give us the same value. If it is 50 that evaluates to, it will be the temperature is 50 Celsius. So they said we'll learn more about functions in subsequent tutorials. Functions as local variables. Variables declared within a JavaScript function become local to the function. Local variables can only be accessed from within that function. For instance, this car name inside this function will always be Volvo, but outside here, car name can never be Volvo. You cannot even use car name because it was not declared outside this function. So they said, since local variables are only recognized inside their functions, variables with the same name can be used in different functions. Local variables are created when a function starts and deleted when the function is completed. So variables with the same name can be used in different functions. They will not have any issue. Okay, variables with the same name can be used in different functions. Okay, so this is where our tutorial for JavaScript function ends. We'll continue in our tutorial the next with JavaScript objects. Thank you.